We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We remove the back cover. We release the screws of the middle frame. For that, we use a professional Phillips screwdriver. We remove the plastic protection from the top of the device. Now, we remove the flex. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the battery. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.